Greetings, YouTube. I'm going to try my very best to explore an abandoned property that is right across the street. Thought I smelled burning oil. Maybe I do. It's not a good sign. Now I see there's some Jane citizen right over there on the phone. And this is a semi-busy road, especially coming from this way. Here's the house in question. And I'll just have to wait until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 more cars and there's a gap. So after this second car, 1, 2, I can quickly cross the road and I'll kind of fill you in on it. Very hard to see. It's so covered in overgrowth that people playing tennis over there. I can sort of be seen right there, but this is it. Now, I have no clue if there's a way in. But it's worth exploring anyway. Appears to be getting renovated. Now, I don't know if anybody's in here. Very spooky place. It was gutted. So we'll have to make this quick. Chandelier. So somebody lived here at one time and had a computer. And I guess this was the computer room. Here's the stair, the basement. There's one way to get up. And of course, I just went that way. Sadly, there's nothing really up here. It was gutted. And it's just in sad shape. Maybe at one time there was stuff up here. Roof is completely redone. Ooh, it's a little hot up here. Needs ventilation. I don't see any. But they could put a soffit ventilation in here. And some outtake, maybe a ridge vent, or they're out of code, but you could use a gable vent, which they don't like to do anymore. I don't know what this is. Looks like a coffin. There's nothing in it. Oh, and that thing weighs a ton. Here's some flooring from the late 1960s. I recognize that pattern. Maybe there was a little bathroom up here. Yeah, there's no ventilation up here. Nothing. They'll have to put some soffits, at least, or a ridge vent with soffits. And I don't see any evidence of a ridge vent. Soffits would have to go here. Somehow you'd have to get them in there. And then you would need a baffle extension to bring the air up into the attic. But apparently this is a 100-year-old attic and it never had ventilation, so it handled very well despite not having it. But I do see a new roof, so maybe that's why. This is sort of like ventilation. There's a louvered window thing here, but it's too low. Anyway. This is not this old house. It's an old house, but I am not this old house. It's cool, this window right here. Oh, it's this way. Here's the basement. This light isn't the greatest. This is a way to get in. There's a hole in the floor or ceiling. And then there's really nothing else down here. I'll try to make my light get more. That's a furnace and a water heater. And there's something there with a light. See it? Oh my God, let me get out of here. It's like a motion detector. All right, so let's go. Fireplace. And this is how I got in. Best thing to do is to get back to the street rat. And look at the property from this side. Well, I got in, so my curiosity has been served. And here's a pathway. And here's a driveway, presumably for this property. Yeah. Okay, so so much overgrowth. Can't even see it. So get a good long look at it, because this is the best I can do. I'm not going back on the property. Got to be over 100 years old. Not terribly old. Maybe about 1920, 1910. It's got the original windows. I doubt they'll be saved, but they gotta leave them for now. There's another driveway. There's a garage, but that would be too risky. There's a little porch over there. Yep, we were just in there. And there's nothing in it. Nothing. Not even a bathroom. Completely gutted. Signing out. Somewhere in northern New Jersey. Near Leonia. Have a nice day.